Hello guys, so today we are going to be learning how to generate a wallet address on the Ethereum blockchain, right? Yeah, so we are going to be doing that with the Ethers library. So the Ethers library is a really popular library, right? It was created by Richard Moore. Yes, so it's used in the Ethereum ecosystem. Yes, so it's just used to connect to the Ethereum blockchain. Yes, so we are going to be generating this wallet address with this Ethers library. Yes, so we can proceed now. So first of all, we initialize node.js in this project. Yeah, we run nodes, we run npm. Sorry about that. npm init y for the default values. Yes. So once we have node.js initialized in this project, we can now proceed with the installation of the ethers library. So we install this package npm I ethers. Yes. And so once we have ethers installed in this project, we can now proceed with the generating of the wallet address. Yes. So we can now import. First of all, we have to import ethers in this file, right? So we assign it to this variable ethers equal to require ethers. Yes. So once we have ethers imported in this file, we can now proceed. We can now generate the wallet address. So we create this variable called wallet. Yes. Photo ethers dot wallet dot create random. Yeah, we can even see the suggestions too. So yeah. So what this create random method does, this create random method from ethers, it generates a random wallet, right? So every time it is being invoked, a random wallet is being generated. Yes. So from this wallet, we can get the private key and the public key. So to get the private key and public key, we store it in these variables. We can call the variables private key, private key for the private key. So this will be for the private key equal to, yeah, wallet dot private key. Yes, and we can also do the same thing for the public key and then the address. So the public key would be wallet dot public key, right? And then for the address will be wallet dot address. Yes. And to see the value of these variables, you can log them on the console. Yes. So for the private key. Yes. So we can also see the public key and then the address. So this one will be the public key, and this one will be the address. Yeah. Yes. So that's it. So to see the value of these variables, you can run this project in our terminal. Nodes. You can run it with this command node one and the name of the file, which would be gen wallet address, right? Gen wallet address dot js. And once we run that command, wow, you can see we have our private key, our public key, and then our actual address. So first of all, if I proceed, remember to always keep your private key safe. Make sure nobody can see your private key. Yes, anybody with access to this your private key basically has access to your address. Yes, so you must make sure that nobody sees your private key. Yes. So this I'm just showing my private key because this was a tutorial, right? I will be discarding this address after this tutorial. So yes. So always make sure that your private key is safe. Always make sure that nobody is watching. Yes. Yes. So yeah, so we have our address basically. So let me quickly go through how this whole thing works, right? So first of all, we call this create random method from ethers. Yeah. So this create random method. What this create random method does, it generates this random 256 bits number. Yes. So this 256 bits number is like the private key in binary form, right? Yes. So it's just the private key in binary form. Basically, it's just in zeros and ones like this. Zeros and ones. Yes, just like this. Up to 256. Up to 256. Yes, so just zeros and ones like this. 256 characters long. Yes, and it's always unique. It's virtually guaranteed to be unique. Yeah, because of the immense number of um, possible combinations, right? Yes. So these zeros and ones generated is based on a highly secured cryptographic random number generator that produces values with an extremely low level of repetition. Yes. And yeah, that's just it. And then there are still more checks and safeguards to prevent the accidental generation of duplicate random numbers. Yes. So in some way, it's just virtually guaranteed to be unique. It's always guaranteed to be unique. Yeah, because of the order. So it's always this form. This, yeah, just always unique like this. Every time you call this one, you always get a unique combination like this. Yes. And then, yeah, and then this private key is actually derived from this 256 characters long binary numbers, right? Yes. And then the public key is gotten from the private key using mathematical operations, right? Designed to be um, easy to compute in one direction. Yes. So it's, yeah, it's just private to public. Yeah. So you can always get this private key. You can always get the public key from the private key, but you can never get the private key from the public key. Yes. And then this address is gotten from this public key using additional cryptographic hashing algorithms. Yes. So yeah, all of this process will just ensure that transactions can be securely signed right with the private key. Yeah, pretty straightforward process, right? Yeah, just straightforward process. So yeah, that's just it basically. So yeah, congratulations. We have our wallet address, we have our private key and our public key. So this address is what you would typically send to someone, maybe to send you some native Ethereum, right? Or maybe some tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Yes, so this is just it. And to confirm, yeah, we can also confirm that our address is valid, right? On the block explorer. So we can go to the Ethereum block explorer, which will be Etherscan. So once we go to the Etherscan and we paste our wallet address, and wow, so we can see that our address is valid on the Ethereum blockchain, right? No balance, yeah, but it's actually valid on the Ethereum blockchain. So that's just it basically. Remember to always keep your private key safe. Remember to always keep your private. Make sure nobody can see your private key. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. So yeah.